right.
This week, we're excited to introduce custom reports. Save and access your favorite report views in one click. Let me show you how it works. Custom reports will allow you to save and reuse report views without rebuilding them. Start with any pre-built report in Report Center. Modify the filters. Pivot to your liking. Then simply click Save As to create your own custom report. Give it a name, and it's now saved and ready to reuse. All access controls apply, so only users with the proper permissions can view or share custom reports. Your report insights are now just one click away. This is just one of many features we've shipped this week, and it's available today. At DualEntry, we're giving finance teams more and more of their time back. See you next week.